Thank y'all for coming out to the Raspy Show. Yak, yak. I'm going to be telling you my 4 best tips that improve my respiratory. Tip number 4. You breathing exercises to get more oxygen to my lung and carbon dioxide out more to breathe better. Do those daily throughout the day. Just sitting, watching TV, try to calm down my anxiety. Number 3, I drink a lot of water. I drink at least a gallon of water, if not half a gallon. Get more oxygen, let the mucus out, and so I get more oxygen. Number 2 is I take the medication. The medication is from my doctor has prescribed to me, which is my inhaler. Take my inhaler. I use my spacer. To get more of the medication into my lungs properly. Won't cause yeast infection in the back of my throat or in my lung. Last but not least, number 1 is I drink smoothies, like green plus smoothies, green smoothies, to build more, to give me more minerals, my respiratory and body, so I can have more oxygen. Those are my 4 best tips that improve my respiratory. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Raspy Show.